Maca Root 101, a natural supplement for men and women. Maca root is an ancient plant with a rich history. It boosts energy, balances hormones, and enhances mental clarity. Maca root grows in Peru's Andes Mountains. It's a cruciferous vegetable like broccoli, but the root is used. It's dried and turned into powder or extract. Maca root is famed for its health benefits. It boosts energy and stamina, helping athletes and those feeling fatigued. It also improves sexual health, aiding libido and reproductive functions. Maca balances hormones, easing PMS and menopause symptoms. It supports mood and cognitive function, with antioxidants protecting the body. Maca is a nutritional powerhouse rich in essential nutrients. Maca is generally safe, but some may experience headaches or stomach discomfort. Maca can be eaten or taken as a supplement. Choose the form that suits your needs. Read more about maca root from the description link. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more such content.